You are now entering the mystical realm of MORD. Bea and Sam have been brought through the magical portal to aid us in our design quest. Please mind your step, and don't feed the dragons.
Hey Sam, what's up?
Hey, B.
We are alive and well. We are thriving in the land of Mord.
Yeah, we're having a whale of a time. It's really good. I mean, medieval tavern is pretty cozy in here.
Yeah, it's been pretty great. It's cool that they're letting us stay here.
Yeah, the tavern
Not
people are so
them.
lovely. But
Yeah.
yeah, I mean, Mumbledorf does need to pay us for the design job, but
I'm
at
so
least
sorry
they're
about
letting us
that.
stay here for free for now.
I know, I need to get, well, for free, cleaning out the stables,
Yeah.
washing the dishes.
Oh yeah, cleaning the dishes ain't too bad, but yeah, those stables on the other hand
are brutal. Yeah, I know. I can't believe I forgot the contract. What a rookie mistake.
I think you've done a great job though with the discovery deck so far. So
Oh,
it's
thank
looking
you.
great.
All we have to do is present to him.
I'm not fond of Mumbledorf actually using my body all the time. I mean, it's a little bit weird.
I'm so sorry. I know. I don't know
Yeah,
why he does that. It's so strange.
yeah. I don't know what he's getting up to, B. I don't know what he's
I know.
doing.
Well, let me just tell you, like, from my perspective, I don't see anything weird other than
Okay,
the fact that you are a
good.
wizard.
That's good. I guess yeah, we better call Mumbledorf then.
Yeah, I guess we
Get
should
the
present to him,
approval.
and we have to get him to sign the contract because, yeah, we need the contract.
Okay, let's call him. Call him in. Get
Okay,
it out the
all right.
way.
He just said I have to say his name, so I'm just gonna say it loud enough for him to hear. Okay.
Okay, let's go.
Mumbledorf! Mumbledorf.
Hello. You called?
I did. Hey. How's it going?
Yes, it's me, Mumbledorf, your favorite wizard, back again.
True. So I finished the discovery deck that we were working on last time, and
Oh, excellent.
I got some final concepts to show you. I just want to make sure we're on the same page and that everything looks good. So I'm just going to run through it with you really quick.
That sounds delightful, my dear. Yes, I'm
Okay.
exciting. So excited. So
Okay.
very excited.
So okay, so this is our discovery and strategy.
Awesome.
I have the name of your shop, Brims and Baubles. Okay, so our project goal is to design a logo and visual identity that attracts all wizards. It shows longevity and sustainability. It has a heritage feel and lets wizards know they can trust the quality. That sound good?
Yes,
Okay.
that is exactly yes what we discussed, wasn't it?
Yes, it is. Yes, it is. I also played with the color palette, and Sam did a couple sketches for ideas, which I'll show
Oh,
you in
lovely.
this brief. So, our big picture, the who is all wizard kind. What, it's a
Yes,
hat shop for wizards that feels powerful with mystique. And the why now is you've got some new products and a new aesthetic to match.
that is correct. Yes, yes, very much so.
Okay, and so our theme is Brims and Baubles is a mystical wizarding hat shop where quality counts.
Oh, yes, the quality does count. By the way, do you like my new hat I'm styling?
I was gonna
It's
say
one.
I love your
Yes,
hat.
yes.
Yeah,
It's
is this
it's
one of the new
it's
ones?
it's from the new Grey Griffin line. We just got it in the other day.
Oh, I love it. It's so good.
Well, thank
Okay.
you. Yes.
Yeah, I love it. I'm like, oh, can non-wizard people wear the wizard hats or?
Oh yes, the hats are for anyone, but the magical properties are really for the wizards, you know.
Okay, well, maybe I can try yours on sometime.
Oh, oh yes, I'm sure you can.
Oh, thanks. Okay.
Mm.
So
Back to the design. Yes, come on, chop
the
chop.
the brand traits, the brand traits. Um, we are powerful, whimsical, fun, and
Mm.
mystical. Does
Yes,
that feel like you?
I am very powerful, and yes, sometimes called whimsical. So yes, that suits the brand
Okay.
traits down
And
to a
we don't
T.
and we don't want to have any Dark Lord energy, no plain, boring, flimsy
No,
breaks,
no,
you know,
steady,
none
good
of that.
hats. Yes,
Okay.
yes, certainly.
Okay. So again, just going over the brand traits, handmade. Every
Mm.
hat is handmade with care and respect for the craft. It's
Yes.
powerful. Each piece has a special spell to reflect the powerful wizard who created it, the magic that can be felt in it, each hat giving it unique capabilities. Is that
Hmm.
right? Okay. And then
Yes, yes,
mystical,
definitely.
the hat chooses the wizard, is what I've heard. Is that true?
Well, yes, hats have got a little bit of power to them that make sure to determine if you are a good or a bad person, because we don't want to excel the dark arts. I mean,
Okay.
I'm
Okay.
I'm no conjurer of cheap tricks. We're quality goods, definitely. So got to
Authenticity.
make yes, yes.
Okay. And the quality of 2,000 years of heritage. I mean, that is like a huge statement. I don't know for wizard kind, but for a human, that is a long time.
Oh, well, it's about a quarter of a lifetime for most wizards, but yes, yes, it is a long time for you humans. Yes.
Okay, so again, our target
Ah,
audience, wizards, all wizard
yes.
kind, looking for quality magical hat to complete their aesthetic.
Yep. Got
Handmade,
to got to make sure we complete that aesthetic really nice.
yeah, and you are killing it, by the way. Love
Oh, thank you.
that look. Um, so the big idea, handmade magical hats for all wizard kind. There's a lot of repetition, but I just want to make sure that it's solidified who we are as a brand. And when I say me, we, that's the royal we. It's just we as in brims and baubles.
Yes, yes, yes.
And so here's our mood board, which you already have
Hmm.
seen. This is the typography that you sent over. And these are some fonts that I thought worked
Ah,
well
yes.
with the
Ooh,
naming. What do you think of these fonts
okay.
at first glance?
I love them. Yes, so definitely they jump to my eye. I like the old typefaces. There's some fun ones there. And yes, A is very modern, I must say, but I do like it.
It's
I
got
mean
that
that might
whimsical kind of like in
hmm,
this the basic witch font.
yes.
That was kind of
Those
my
are
inspiration for that.
those are great options. I mean, I'd love to see what you can do. I mean, I trust your instincts definitely, but I love the options definitely.
Okay.
So, oh yes, and you did a little recon, didn't you, this week, and checked out my shop?
I did.
Brims and Bobbles. It's a cool name, don't you think?
It's
Yes,
lovely.
but we don't really sell the bubbles that much anymore, you know.
Oh,
So
okay.
so yes, we had a good bubble vendor. Jeremy was his name, but unfortunately he got eaten by a troll last week.
Oh my
So
gosh.
yes, so I was expecting
Oh,
his delivery, and yes, he didn't make it unfortunately, but that's how it goes sometimes.
yes.
So
Oh.
maybe we'll have a little think about the name. I don't know if we're not
Well, we could
selling
just
bubbles
take off
anymore.
baubles and we could just call
Mhm.
it brims. Does
I
that
like
sound
it.
good?
It's short. It's
It's
straight
quippy, it's
straight
nice.
to it.
Brims. Yeah, it gets to the point.
Mm.
Okay, well, I'll work on brims and give you some ideas with that. Um, and here's just a rerun of our color palette. And from this color palette, I made a color palette. Let me know how this feels for you. I did some
Ooh,
naming on the colors. I kind of
no,
took your
this looks.
inspiration. How do you feel about
Well,
this?
I love them, and I love that you've come up with fun names for them as well. Crystal Ball and oh, super fun. I love
Okay.
it. Let's
Okay,
go with
great. So
it.
I'll go forward with
On to
this.
the
Okay,
next.
perfect. Okay, the imagery, this is from your mood board, and these are some sketches that Sam did to
Oh,
give us some icon options.
yes.
We'll obviously change the B ones to be singular,
Oh, yes,
but
yes.
aesthetically, do you like the direction that we're going in?
Yes, it's super fun. I like the little characters. They're very magical and whimsical, like we discussed.
Yes, I like
So,
the bottom one where
hmm,
he's got the little stars. That one is so cool.
okay, yes, it shows the magic well. These
Yeah.
are great. I'm loving it. I'm loving it,
Okay.
yes.
Okay, so I just wanted to get your, solidification that we can go forward. The last thing to do before we do a logo round one, I totally forgot to mention this, but we'll need to have a contract between us
A contract?
and
Oh, certainly, yes,
yeah, and
yes.
discuss payment.
Hmm.
So if I can write up a contract if you want,
Oh, no,
or
not necessary. So, yes, a contract is a must, you know. I mean,
yes,
you can trust me because I'm an honest wizard. But
you are a good wizard. I do
yes,
trust you.
don't be fooled by those others. You know, the likes of goblins and trolls are nasty orcs. Yes,
Yes.
always make sure to get something down on paper. It's a must.
It is a must. And so, uh, do you want me to then write up a
No, no,
contract for us?
I can do that now for you if you like. I mean, we've discussed it. I mean, our word has kind of made sense, so I can whip it
Okay.
up right away. Shall I do? I'll just do a little magic spell,
Okay.
and it will. So let me think. Yes. What's the contract spell? Just get my wand here. Yes. Contractus lorem ipsum obligatus.
Whoa. Okay. Cool.
Yeah. Yes, that will do
Except,
nicely, won't it?
what is this language, though? This looks like
So that is the
Elvish?
contract. All contracts over here are done in Elvish, you know.
Uh,
It's everything we discussed, you know. It says I will help you get out of MORD and pay you kindly for your services. So
okay.
yes, it's all there. It's all there. Yes.
Okay. Well, I trust you. Um,
Hmm,
Great. Well, I guess that's that then. Um,
yes. Well,
Perfect.
I look forward to seeing what you do with it because you have blown me away so far with your witchcraft. I'm sure you have some
Oh,
magic in you. Yes.
I mean, thanks. I'm that's really great of you to say. Thank you
I
so
just heard
much.
I just heard a funny joke if you want to hear it.
I would love to hear a funny joke. Please tell me.
Okay, yes. What do you call a dog magician?
A dog magician. Um,
A labracadabrador.
oh my gosh.
Oh, yes.
You are hilarious. You are hilarious. Hilarious. Please tell me many more jokes. I cannot wait
Oh,
to hear
plenty
them.
more later. Plenty more
Um,
later.
okay, well, great. We have the contract. We have your approval. I guess we can just bring Sam back and
Oh, yes. You want Sam back already? Oh, okay.
I mean,
Well,
I hate to see you go, but
yes. Well, let me say, remember with contracts, you've got to keep it secret. Keep it
keep it
safe. Okay.
safe. Okay, keep it secret. Keep it. I will. I will.
Yeah.
That sounds
All
really
right.
familiar, and I
No,
feel
no, no.
like that's an important thing, and I won't forget it.
Yes. Right, I'll leave you to the designing. I must dash. Plenty of things to do. But
Okay.
yes. Look to my coming on the first light on the seventh day. At
Okay.
dawn, look to the east, or is it the west? Anyway,
Okay. So that's when.
cheerio.
Okay. Oh, goodbye,
Cheerio. I'm off. Bye.
Sam. Oh my gosh, Sam. Sam.
Whew. Oh man, I
What
hate
the
when you do
heck?
that.
Oh
Oh,
my gosh. Are
Mumbledorf.
you okay?
Oh, I need
Oh my gosh.
I need a drink. Ah.
Um. Okay, well, Mumbledorf, he saw everything. He loved it. He loved your sketches. We're changing the name from Brims and Baubles to Brims because apparently his Baubles guy got eaten by a troll.
Oh, that's tragic.
I know. That's what I said.
I guess that makes it
Um,
easier for us though, because
it does.
less letters, less
Designing,
letters to
it's
design.
less. So we'll just come up with some concepts. Let's work on this like today and tomorrow, and then just see where we
Yeah,
get, and then we can, yeah,
let's get
go
it
from there.
done.
Let's think up some ideas and let's get on it.
Okay, I'm gonna get the meat in. We need some drinks to
Let's
get
get the
designing.
drinks. Get the drinks.
Oh.
Oh my gosh, those beds are so uncomfortable. My shoulder is like, it's broken.
Broke your shoulder. Oh no. Well, I
I think I
slept. I
fell
slept
out of
like a
the hay.
baby. I'm fine. Oh, you were in the stables last night. I was in. I was in the bed. A nice,
Listen,
comfy
there was,
room.
some of the orcs from downtown, we drank a little bit of mead. It was like, it's a long story, but yeah, like I
Yeah.
did wake up in the stable.
Oh, B. What are we gonna do with you?
But it's cool. I'm ready. Like, game base is on. Today we're gonna
Yeah.
do some designing. So
Yeah, we gotta
yeah.
get to it. I mean, Mumbledorf wants his branded man. We gotta
Let's
get
get
to
to it. Okay, let me pull up my file here.
Yeah.
All
Let's
right.
get into
So
Illustrator.
we doing it. All right. So these are your sketches, and we're changing it to brims. So off the rip, we're gonna have to pick our favorites. So our favorites, I'm just gonna do like a green circle. It's nice to have, so that you can see.
The one you got it on now, it kind of works to be inside a hat. I'm a big fan of the crazy little wizard with both his hands going like that.
Okay, so we like that one and this one, or this one, right or left?
I like both of them.
Okay,
I do
we like
both.
both of them.
Put it in the middle.
Okay. I really like this one. I think he's kind of neat.
Little side angle.
Okay, so like if we had to pick top three, I think we're gonna go this one because it's a little bit more detailed since these are a bit more simple.
Yeah.
Okay. Perfect. I'm just gonna pen tool over these. Okay, so I'm going to be pen tooling out all of these different designs. And we thought it would be easier and faster if we just zipped through this part quickly so we didn't bore anyone with our extended conversation about each and every little thing. So I'm just using the pen tool here. I'm using a few shapes. We're getting the general vibe. I'm pretty much copying each of these exact.
Fascinating.
And then from there, I'm going to, spruce them up a little. A little option drag, transform, reverse, starting with some circles, cutting them in half, option drag again. Whenever you can option drag, like I'm there for it. Let's do it. We're gonna eventually try and get we're gonna get some of these shapes perfect, and some of them are gonna be a bit more, illustrative and flowy. But we try to with, any kind of logo, if you can use perfect shapes, it's helpful. It makes it easier, but it's also cool to have fun with it. And this hat, I felt like it was, Sam and I both, we felt like it was a little bit too blobby. So in an iteration down the line, I'm going to smooth that out so it looks a little bit more hat-like. And if you're weird like me and you want to make your own star instead of using the star tool, you can simply draw yourself some guides in a box, create some anchor points, and adjust. It is the long way, but sometimes you just got to do it yourself. And yeah. Don't ask me why, but sometimes it do be like that. Okay, so we have Wizard Guy here. We're going to make him black and white. All of these logos are going to start out black and white. We tried a little, do we want the stars dark? Do we want them open? We decided dark. Dark is good. Filling in everything. And then when all of these are finished, there'll be a reverse contrast test to make sure that everything looks nice and tidy, both in black and white reverse. And we are going to spruce up this guy holding the star here so he doesn't look so evil because he's kind of got dark star vibes. But yeah, and then brims we're thinking at the bottom, sort of encompassing. We might build a little bit more with that. You will just have to keep watching. Here we go with the hat. We've smoothed out the hat and then we did a reverse on this. I really love the fill. I think that that's so fun. So yeah, these are the concepts. I might try and fill out the full word of brims in the hat, but we shall see how it goes. Okay, I think we got some great concepts, so I'm excited to show them to Mumbledorf and see which is his favorite.
Yeah, some great designing work there, Bea. I mean, we've got 3 good options to show him. I think he's going to be super excited to see him.
I know.
Great job.
Can't.
High five, I
think.
think.
See what he picks.
High five.
High five!
Ah, hello, only me, Mumbledorf, back again to remind you to like and subscribe. Make sure to tune in to the next episode. It will be a blast. Cheerio!